Get ready, it's Dorky Girl vlog time. Oh yeah! What do you have?
Cookie.
Do the cookie dance, yeah, do the cookie dance. Do the cookie dance, yeah, do the cookie dance. We're eating cookies out at the bus stop. Shh. Morning guys. I'm at my brother's now. After putting the kid on the bus. Oh, I know, I got awesome hair. It's my wake up hair. I haven't showered yet. And we made awesome breakfast. And we're gonna watch Once Upon a Time. We're gonna possibly have a fire tonight. That's what the talk is. My brother, you have the wonderful sun effect going on your face. There we go, it blocks them out.
Frankie's coming.
Some person he just met. I'm having eggs and chicken for breakfast with an orange and toast and tea. That should help with my walk later today. All done with Once Upon a Time. Coda had surgery.
Once upon a time, froze. Literally. We couldn't finish watching it.
My brother's internet froze because it sucks. Coda!
Coda.
How are you feeling? He had to get his dangly bits cut off. He had surgery. We should show the internet your awesome cone. He's like, I hate you guys.
Poor baby boy.
I love his little thing he's got going on there. Little race car and stuff. His little rhino. Aw, Coda.
Can't go with
I love you. Day 4. Kicking ASS with this whole breakfast I ate this morning of the eggs and chicken. It's like totally pumping me up along with these tunes. Even though my ass hurts really bad. God. Got a hair. Going to pick my niece up from school. And this hill down to her school is gonna suck really bad. I can already feel it as I'm walking. It's hurting my butt. Everyone keeps making jokes, chucking her away. They're like, oh, she's butthurt. It really, really hurts. This is just fantastic. Oh, maybe we can actually go. We can go. Yay! We got to go now. We didn't get stuck behind all those buses. We just stood there as like 3 buses just passed us. We're just standing there waiting to walk across the street.
Wait.
We got Bonfire! Woo!
Daddy's truck? Woo!
Emmy, do you like the big fire?
Yeah.
Yeah? Hi, Chuck.
Hi.
How was your day? Tell the internet.
Serious.
Do you want me to describe Chuck's day?
Well, they have massive mounds.
Color flames. The putting out of the fire. Let's listen to it.
So, he was unusually quiet today.
Oh yeah, listen to it. All I can see is smoke.
Steam.
Rise! Oh, I wish you could see it right now.
I wish I had a laser pointer.
I know, I wish you could totally see the smoke right now, internet. Looks boss.
It's that famous Dorky Girls vlogs.